So may tanong tayo sa aking video paano kumuha ng postal ID. Tanong niyo po sa atin is ganito. Pwede po ba kahit walang barangay clearance, kahit kuha ako postal, di po ako taga dito Bulacan, taga Mindoro ako, so PSA lang po meron ako. So to answer your question, pwede naman po wala kayong barangay clearance as proof of address. Yun nga lang, kailangan nyo po ng substitute na nagpo-proof kung saan kayo nakatira. So ano po ba yung mga substitute na pwede ninyong alternative as proof of address maliban sa barangay clearance? Ito po yung kanilang mga proof of address na tinatanggap. Barangay Certificate of Residency issued within 3 months prior to PID application. Certified through copy of lease, certified through copy of title issued by Land Registration Authority, certified through copy of real estate tax receipt, bank statement, credit card statement, school billing statement, at pwede din yung mga utility bill tulad ng cable, electric, internet, landline, telephone, at water. So I hope this video answer your question.